Hello viewers, welcome back to Moose Mobile Auto Repair, and today I have a 2009 Subaru Impreza, and it has the 2.5 liter engine. The customer's complaint is that he was on the highway, and as he was taking the exit, he heard a loud grinding noise. And he said he saw a bunch of smoke come out of the hood. And he also noticed that there was some coolant splashed against the timing cover area. So he's parked back home, and I'm going to see on what the damage is now. So right now this car has 274,251 kilometers. Now you guys might be asking as to why it's so dark here, because it's 10:30 at night, and so I just got the service call just now, and so now I'm here. I'm going to have a look at it now. So I'm under the hood now. And the first thing I noticed is that the AC compressor, I believe it's seized up. The AC clutch here, it got burnt up and overheated, and the belt is no longer there, and so it got shredded up into pieces. I can still smell the burning smell, and I believe that's what the noise was. So the belt is not there, but the main drive belt is still intact. So the customer was saying that he smelled some coolant. I'm not sure if coolant splashed anywhere, but I'm not seeing much here except for the AC compressor. The coolant reservoir is still full. It has an aftermarket coolant in there. It's a yellow. The customer stated that there's no warning lights on at the moment, so I still see a coolant in there. It's full. Radiator. So yeah, he heard a loud grinding noise. I can see that the AC compressor clutch, you can see that the plate got like burnt up. So it's all beat up. And I think it was this AC compressor was replaced probably like a few years ago. I'm starting to see that the Subarus, they tend to eat AC compressors. So I'm not sure on what is going on here. I'll have a look at the oil level and stuff like that, and just make sure everything is okay, and that's it. I'm going to check the oil level. It's a little bit dark. It's pretty dark. There's the belt. I see the belt right here. The belt is hiding down here. Right there. Just gonna grab it. I'm just going to temporarily disconnect the connector for the AC compressor, because there's the fuse that blows, and it's connected to the radio and the climate controls. So I'm just going to disconnect that. I'm not able, I can spin this, but the clutch won't spin. So I'm just gonna go inside and start the engine. Just having a look at the alternator and just doing my checks just to make sure everything is okay. The exhaust leak is pretty loud. Yeah, I think it seems to be running okay though. I don't see anything, at least from here. So I had a look at the vehicle, and I don't see anything major or engine related or drivability related. Thing seems to be okay. It was just the AC compressor that crapped out and burnt up and through the belt, and that's about it. I'm not too sure if the customer is going to have that fixed in the near future, or probably in the summertime. I think we went for a quick road test and everything seems to be okay. I know there's a very bad exhaust leak that it's making it sound very loud, Anyhow, I'm going to conclude this video. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you next time. Have a good night and take care.